Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Rob and I'm going to show you how you can change your background and your taskbar. First of all, I'm going to drag this up to make it more clear. Right mouse click on the taskbar settings and you should get something like this. First of all, we're going to change the background. Right now it is a solid background and it's black. Yep, it's black. And we're going to change that to a picture. In fact, I'm going to change it to my picture. Did it change? Yes, it's a bunny. And now on to the next. Colors. Over here you have a black color. And that's because I like it all dark, because I sit behind a computer for long periods of time. I want to change a couple of things. I want to change the colors, first of all, of the taskbar. And it changed the menu too. And I can change title bars. Now you get something like this. Now it's green and I can change it to red, what is it, plum, rosé, or let me pick a different color, blue. I can change the color again for the taskbar. And you can just mess around basically. You see what I mean? Or you can just do this. And now it's get really messed up. And let's see what happens. Oh, now it gets really serious. Whoa. Yeah, that's not my taste. So I'm gonna change it all back to the way it was. And I'm going to change that back. So now it's all back again the way it was. And I can drag the taskbar. Let's do it to the side. Now it's to the side. And to the bottom. And that's basically how you can change the colors of your taskbar and the background of your image. If you want to know how I dragged the taskbar to the top and to the side, put your mouse button on it, left mouse button, hold it and just drag it to top or to the side. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Subscribing and sharing would help me out really a lot to spread all this information. All information is free. So learn, practice, master. Thank you for now. Bye bye.